Hello, Tracy, Wilce here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through one of the resources that I use when I'm doing my classified advertising. The resource's name is CriaglistAdTracker, and not only does it give you the benefit of being able to track the clicks and impressions that your ads are getting, but it gives you the option of easily creating image ads, which are going to make your ads stand out that much more based upon your competitors because they're probably not using image ads, they're just using straight text ads. So it's real simple to do. What we're going to do is we're going to start here by going to image tracking, and then from there we'll choose our images. Now the images you're going to create in probably or some other resource. I'm not going to go into how to create these particular photos at this time. We're going to go down here, we're going to grab one called Bart. Let's see, test drive 2, I believe that's the one. Let me see it load up here. Oh, here we go. So this is my Bart ad. So we're going to click on the image source code here, and we're going to copy that, and we're going to take that over to link tracking. And in link tracking, we're going to paste that image code right here. We're going to give it a title. We'll call this one Bart MLSP. This is the destination URL. Where do you want your prospect to go when they click on that image? So I'm going to use the capture page I have for MLSP for gold level membership. I want it to track impressions and clicks. You can set it for that or clicks only, but I like to know both. Then you can select the tracker ad group. I'm going to go with gold. And the expiration date I don't even bother with. Now that you have that filled out, you simply click on Generate Code, and you're going to notice you get 2 codes down here. The code here is what we're going to use for all of our classified sites, whether that be Craigslist or Backpage. If you want to include it into an email to your subscribers, or if you want to use it for Facebook or Twitter, you can use the direct link here. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to go over to my notepad, and I'm going to paste that into the Bart ad into right here. Okay, so this is the code that uses that Bart. Now what I like to do is I like to set up my ads. You can use the image by itself, but I also like to include ad copy as well. So I'm going to take the link here, and I'm going to replace that with the link that I had set up for this ad previously. And paste. Okay, now we have a full ad that's going to show the image in the center with text above and below. Now before I show you what it's going to look like in Backspace or Backpage, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can create a slideshow as well. And the slideshows are pretty neat because you can use several different images, and it'll actually rotate through the images just like a PowerPoint presentation. So for that, we're going to go back to image tracking. And we're going to select several slides that we're going to include in the presentation. And for that, I'm going to use these slides right here. Now this I had set up originally back when we were promoting the 100-day Biz Builder Challenge. So I'm going to select slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, and slide 4. Okay. Once I have selected the slides, I come up here and I click on Create Slideshow. And it's going to ask me what size I want to set it up at. So I'm going to go with the 604 by 403. Now because I do have a lot of text in the images and I want the prospect to actually be able to read the text, I'm going to set the delay between the images to the maximum on my ad for 5 seconds. You can set it anywhere from 1/10 of a second up to 5 seconds. Then I'm going to click on Submit, and it's going to create a slideshow for me that's called Slideshow. Now we can leave that title as it is, or you can change that to a new title. But again, you're going to do the same thing to create the slideshow. You're going to grab the image code here, you're going to copy that, You're going to go back to your link tracking. I'm going to insert the image code there, paste. We're going to give this one a title. We're just going to call it Slideshow My Lead System Pro. Where do I want to direct the prospect to? I'm going to stick with my Go Gold capture page. Again, impressions and clicks. And this one we're going to call Gold 1 so that we can differentiate the two in the tracking reports. And we click on the generate code. We get the same two boxes again. We're going to copy this image and go back to my notepad. And we're going to insert that right here. Okay, now I have the ad for the slideshow. So I'm going to go down here to slideshow and I'm going to put that into here. Okay, so now I have two ads that are set up, one for the slideshow and one for the BART ad. So now we're going to go over to Backpage, and you can see here I have quite a few ads set up on Backpage already. We're going to select a city that we want to promote this ad to. Let's go ahead and grab Grand Rapids, Michigan. And we want to continue. Okay, we want to post the ad in Services, and then the subcategory will be Business Opportunities. And we decided to go with Grand Rapids, Michigan. And that brings us to our ad creation. Here in the description, we're going to start with the BART ad. And so we're just going to copy all of this and paste it into the description. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is actually add a tracker to it as well. And I'm going to call that tracker Gold and Grand Rapids. That way it identifies to me what city and what it is that I'm promoting. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go Gold and add that tracker. Okay, so now we have the tracker added and the ad there. All we need now is a title for our ad. So what we're going to do is go back to some of the headlines that I have. Now you'll notice these funny looking symbols up here, the numbers and that. What these are is they're actual codes for symbols that'll go in front of the ad. Now there's two reasons why I do this. Number one, it's going to make your ad stand out a little bit. You'll notice when we actually view the ads that there are arrows drawing the attention to the headline. The second reason that I do that is because by using different codes, you can use the same headline over and over again, because with the codes being different, the system is not going to see it as being the same headline and kick it out for you. So we're going to come down here, grab one of my codes or one of my headlines. Here's a foolproof formula for your easily generating leads. Copy that, paste it into the headline. So now we have our ad completed and ready to go. You'll notice down here, Backpage does give you the option of adding additional images. I generally don't do that since my ad is already an image ad. So we're going to click on Continue. And this is the capture code to post that ad. But as you can see, here's what the ad's going to look like when the customer looks at it. You've got your text information above it. This is a clickable link that will take them directly to my lead capture page, or they can use the actual text link here that'll take them to that capture page as well. Okay, so that's how easy it is to set up an image ad. So let's go ahead, go back to the main screen. And this time we'll go Fresno. And again, we're going to go to Services and a subcategory of Business Opportunities. Fresno is the city we're targeting. All right, so our description. This time we're going to go down and grab the slideshow one. And copy. Paste our description in. Add a tracker title for this one as well. And this one we're going to call Gold, or actually we're going to call Slideshow. and then the city again so that I know where I'm targeting this particular ad at. And we're going to add that tracker link in. Okay, tracker link has been successfully added. Go back and grab ourselves another title. This time we're going to use this code and copy and paste. And then I think on this one we're going to go, how about why you can't get leads and what to do about it. Copy and paste. Okay, so we have another ad completed and ready to go, just like that. We're going to click on continue. And this time you can see there's the first image. There's the second image. There's the third image. And there's the fourth image. So that's how easy it is to create a slideshow ad where you can use multiple images to convey the message to your prospect. Again, you have your text ad above and your text ad below. Anytime they click on this image, it's going to take them to my Go Gold capture page, or once again, they can use the text link as well. So there you have it, simple run through on how you can use Craigslist Ad Tracker to set up ads that are going to stand out from the competition and get you more clicks and links. I hope you enjoyed the presentation today, and I look forward to bringing you the next training very soon.